Oh, that does so much damage. Wow.
Yeah, you want to use the urn to interrupt that.
That makes sense. We don't want to kill that enraged spirit, right? Yeah, yeah, it is these. I remember now. So we can have pride over these two guys. And the sanguine.
Blizzard only lasts for like 5 seconds.
Wait, really?
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, get out of the sanguine, please. I'm sorry, Zing. My Brock's gun up. I'm just saying, so if you know I'm
Watch out
squishy or
behind
not.
you.
Ooh, these guys womp. No, I looked at the route, it was these.
Why?
It's not time. It's not
You guys want to
tyrannical.
know how to reduce the shield? Pop defensives. It gets a shield based on the amount of damage the explosion does. You can. I think that leaves us more vulnerable to most things. We have to kill ads as well because the explosion does damage to the ads. So pop cooldowns, focus boss, cleave ads, as you do. You're gonna get the Hexer.
That's a joke.
What's up?
Mean. It's fine. I have Incarn for this last pull, so
We could use the urn for the 4 at the end of the hall. If we all LOS.
okay.
If you don't need it for these devoted. Purge.
Sure.
Good stuff.
Good pause. Yeah, I have fear of these guys.
Stunning, I'm stunning.
Oh.
Okay.
You're gonna have to get the interrupt next. Steve.
Okay.
Can you put down a marker so the hunter knows where to go?
Yep.
Interesting.
Oh, is this a stat? Ooh.
Okay, I get it.
You need a
Ah!
night pay to do it.
Uh-oh!
No one Nate Pay? Okay, I'm melee Nate Pay here.
Get ready to purge. Another purge. And we should be getting a prideful here.
Yep.
Oh, that's interesting. It goes through walls.
Oh,
On me.
on me. I'm gonna stand still.
Right when I start to get behind on that, on Pridefuls, it always dies. Every single time. It's perfect. You beat me to it.
Get that shit off me.
Oh, this boss is committing dead.
If you bring the ads to melee, it's easier to kill.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
What?
Take
I
push
gave him.
timing. I'll just go in front.
I gave him blood.
Oh.
He don't have good blood. Or I don't have good blood.
Can't keep a bad lord down.
Yeah, nay nay.
I want juicy souls, man.
Bomb Somebody's the only cool lore character in the last 5 years. Changed my mind.
True. True.
They've massacred everything else.
Arthas is still pretty cool, but he hasn't been introduced in that long. I wish they would do something with Broxigar.
Yeah. I mean, it's cool to see Draka again, I guess. I don't think anybody really cares about Draka, though.
She's pretty cool. At least
The
they,
only reason why she's relevant is because she's Thrall's mom. Changed my mind.
I mean, true. She's just kind of shitty. Any other way.
What am I doing? Wait, Steve, how you...
I went to pull the robots that explode.
Oh, okay. That's
Arf,
very good.
arf.
Woof. I really hope I don't fall whenever we
I
get
hope
the
I don't fall.
Help! I've fallen, and I can't get up. Get him out of the water.
No.
The water.
Can you keep him there, please? It's the only chance I have.
Ow!
Ow! Never
Yeah,
mind.
go back to
Out of the water.
regular AoEing. But it just ain't that good.
I guess I'll vote.
I've fallen.
I want a fleshcraft.
No.
And now I'm locked.
I wonder how many of these I can survive. Oh wow! I went through it in one hit.
You should faint.
What happened to this? Why?
He tried to do the same thing Rogers did.
Oh, I had a fleshcraft up. I was seeing how many ticks it would take to go through the fleshcraft.
It went through it right away.
Yeah, one hit. Like I don't think
Fleshcraft
faint
kinda
would
sucks.
help it. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it gives a buff, so it's not horrible.
Of orders alone. No, the hunter has to get it. That's upsetting.
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna pull out Duplicator. Because why not? Uh-oh. Oh, thanks, fake.
Do we have an engineers?
Yep.
Do the thing.
Oh, what thing?
You can turn off the sludges.
Oh, that's pretty. As I run into one. Turns out it doesn't matter. You still get one retard that runs into it.
I'm saving mine for the self-cleaning cycle. Okay, Steve.
Jake,
yeah.
good job.
Yeah.
You just had to let that one go off.
Oh.
So after this, we have to. Oh, that's
Lamau. Wow.
What
That
happened?
sucks. He put his wild spirits on the ceiling.
Ooh.
And yet he's still killing us in AoE. love marksmanship hunter.
Wonder how much he would have done with that.
We're gonna get a prideful after this, by the way.
Yep.
Doubt.
Yeah,
Yeah, same. I doubt as well.
Over there looking like the colossal titan.
Watch out behind you.
Oh, that. Okay. No path available, my ass.
Oh, what?
No path available in your ass?
Yes,
Damn.
correct.
Go, 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 go.
Going? Going? Okay.
I'm
Swiping.
going.
I went.
I went.
Poopy, poopy,
Okay.
poopy, poopy,
Popping
poopy.
Oh my god.
Moonfiring. Mangling. Thrashing here. Iron for. Swipe.
He got hit by the laser.
There's a laser?
Yes.
Oh.
That's what the arrows are. You're supposed to put
Oh, that moved the
in
mill
between,
house. Okay.
and then you move.
Lasered.
Oh.
Oh, she's up. Okay, I see. I see what they did now.
You should probably not kill this guy, right?
So right here, got it. Oh,
No, my Transmorpher beacon.
Oh.
Priorities. Oh, I could have got that.
Steve, there's a way to cheese this, so you don't have to keep running everywhere. If you go into melee range with her, you can spam left click, and you can hit it as soon as it comes out.
I know, but
I spam right
was thinking
click.
Jake would be doing that.
Move, move,
Yeah, I'm
move,
doing
move,
that.
move, 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 move.
moving, moving, moving.
So trash, so trash. Big heals, big heals. Oh,
Dispatch.
That's fine, that's
finish
fine,
the
that's
strike.
fine, that's fine.
Kill,
Friend?
kill, 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 kill,
Kill, kill, kill, kill, kill. Killing, killing.
killing, kill,
Interrupt.
kill, build, big, 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 big,
big
big
damage, big
damage.
damage, big damage.
Big damage.
Oh,
Heals,
not me!
Wait, I taunt? Okay, good. I
Bust,
didn't
bust,
actually
bust,
taunt.
bust,
I was
bust,
joking. Killing, killing, killing. Going to pick up the bomb here. Going to deactivate the bomb because no one's gonna do it. And I'm going to stampeding roar here so everyone has movement speed. It's like I already did it. Somehow. I don't know.
You did it for the bomb.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I did it for the bomb. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna then soul shape here. So I can keep staring in a race. Because it is a race.
Try.
Like, I'm gonna pull this enraged spirit. No. Almost everybody's here, so I'm gonna pull it.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna
Heal here.
I will pop major defensive for this rage.
We don't need wajamas.
Oh, so I can poked. It's okay, I put some rejuvenations
Oh,
on some
block.
people.
That's not good.
It's okay, I put some rejuvenation and Migas on some people.
I mean, this
Totally
guy doesn't
fine.
really do any damage outside of rage, so.
Yeah.
He's just so angry all the time.
He's so fucking bad.
Ooh, enraged
That
mask.
is bad.
That's me. Oh, this pack. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, please.
It's an easy pack.
Okay.
Man. Just don't die.
Good point. Noted.
Okay, I'm gonna
Bro,
pop the urine here.
bro.
Because why not?
None of them were in it yet.
The Death Speaker was.
That's all that matters, damn.
Darkness.
Erupting darkness.
Which way is he look? Oh, I see. Probably the big fucking purple swirly.
All I
Yeah,
care
maybe.
about is that the Death Speaker was not healed. Which he was. So I hate myself.
Dodge.
Wait, did you pop? Okay. Well, I guess we can pull these guys. I'll probably work out. Oh, why did you interrupt the
Watch out,
darkness? Is that the
Erupting
same
darkness.
thing? Watch out for interrupting darkness.
Erupting darkness. Big damn, big damn, big, 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 big,
Oh,
big, big,
please.
big,
Why
big,
does he always cast Insane
Erupting
Gleam?
darkness.
I hate this guy, just die. Oh no, there isn't cultist. I'll bring over here. Are you kidding me? Please die. Thank the Lord.
What's up?
He deserves it. Okay, I don't really remember the path for this room, but it'll work out.
Yo, there's a Ralph.
What about Azeroth? As a wasp. Okay, I fight it myself.
It's tricky.
Perfect. I didn't get hit once.
Big pog, big pog.
Hog
Huh.
big.
He's at lower health than everybody else. Seems legit.
Ha ha.
Oh, okay, I guess we can add this to the bowl. Well, it was part of the bowl.
He's popping. Look at him. He's
Oh my gosh,
popping.
oh my gosh, he put wild spirits down, everyone. What does wild spirits even do?
At like peak
Just doesn't-
performance at 7K.
Jake.
It's like
Okay.
a big volley.
Jake, it's like puts down. It's a. You lay it down and it shoots down astral. Like moonfires almost, but they do like 3K and it's 5 targets in a zone.
Big pad.
Yeah, it's pretty fun though.
Hatters.
Poggers. I suppose I can start purging some of these, can't I? Oh, no, they're all dead. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring this up the hill. Oh,
He'll
That was
be
kinda
going
late.
up the hill when he comes.
He be going.
Bro. My blizzards!
Okay, when you gonna place that? Oh, gotta take it out.
Okay, cool. Big pog, big pog.
Hog big.
Oh no, sorry guys, I wasted 2 seconds. I'm running. No, no.
You have to pull that pack that's flying around.
Oh yeah.
Take it. Take.
I
you
have
can
to pull
take these into
this?
the urns,
Okay.
and then pull
Can
these
hardly
spring-ins
see
right here.
swirlies.
Okay. Doing that.
Put your urn.
Having a lag spike. Pressing the urn. I'm on top of this early. Might as well grab those.
Oh brother.
I'll go pull the dragon, too.
brother.
Oh dear.
Probably the best overlap I've ever seen.
Oh no.
Okay.
Good route.
Best route.
Get him out of the water. Get move.
I'm trying.
Icy veins.
Alright, we'll make do. Just focus the manifestation.
No sir.
Okay.
Don't worry, they're almost dead.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I'm at a seed.
I'm dead.
So,
we tried. That was
Alright, peace
close.
guys.
That was close.
Was
we
it?
almost had it. We almost had
They're
it.
all at like 60% HP.
Do more damage then, Tarts. Come on.
You first.
No, I have to keep you alive.
Doubt
yeah,
it. I'm
the
pretty good at
hunter's
healing
almost
myself.
passing in overall.
Who would have thunk?
Meta hunter.
I hate this last part.
You could make it the
Hey.
first part.
I blame Steve. He said pull them into the air and you weren't supposed to. It wasn't part of the route.
I mean,
You're
it
not a
looks
part of the
cool.
route.
It was pretty fun up until that prideful came.
Yeah.
Good thing is the prideful doesn't recover health.
Now he popped up and he's like, "You're at the wrong house, fool."
True though.
Let's get 2 pridefuls at once.
We
That
got one
sounds
before,
fine.
Remember?
It's like ultra prideful.
Hold up. Let me look at this route real quick. Just tell me whenever I'm gonna sing and pull, because I can't
You're
see my
singing?
screen.
Get this bitch off me,
Please
Fucking
stop moving.
poking me.
They're not, you liar.
Yeah, no shit, I'm lying. Oh my god.
Oh. Let's see.
Gonna
What
flesh
percent
graph
are
so
we
I get a
supposed to be?
debuff that's gonna absorb some damage from some
Okay.
people.
Soul Forge
We're
Embers, Soul
good.
Forge Embers.
Stacks. He's at 8 stacks.
Oh,
I'm at
pog.
20.
That's the only fight I'm ever gonna win here.
Oh.
Pride.
Stuck on a wall, stuck on a wall.
Big Pog.
Come on, guys. We got this. If we don't time it, I blame Searing.
That's a big
Is the-
bear.
His DPS is kind of low.
Come here.
Yeah, I feel targeted.
Water.
Dude, this guy's gonna be like, please let me know if I'm carrying somebody in my dungeons.
True. Cries in the background.
Pog, big Pog. Cleansing Rogers, waiting for cleanse on tarts. 1
I
second.
don't. I can just don't.
Hey, can
Okay.
you close this prideful off?
Sure.
Nope. Cannot do that. Trying.
Physical
trying
debuff.
again.
I hate this meme.
We're low on percent. I'm bad at this game.
Go! Run! Go! 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 Go!
Oh, actually, might not be. I don't know.
No, we're perfect.
Are we?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, okay. I actually did it right. I feel good about myself for once in my life.
That'll keep
Convoking?
him in your blizzard. What?
Why is it so inconsistent?
I'm avoiding swirlies!
Not you.
Pog, big Pog.
Hmm, okay. No, we're low on percent. I think.
No.
Like 1%.
Yeah.
1.34%. But we can just take it into the other boss then. That sucks, but whatever.
Steve, you liar.
True.
What'd you miss?
I
You-
think I missed a couple things in the water.
Oh, we missed that Spriggan pack across, like in front of the dragon.
Oh. Wait, no, we weren't supposed to pull that. I thought we weren't. It doesn't go for those. I'm like 50% sure.
Uh-huh. Imagine having to follow
Thank you.
mechanic.
Jake, that was mine.
I'm sorry. Tank over healer. You can incarn.
Oh no, I lost mine. Okay, let's kill it fast.
No, you
Well, there's not going to be another one. There's going to be another wave of it.
just jump in one. Just jump in one. Get in the thingy. Woo, that was close.
Have you ever wished you could fly?
Now you get another one. Now don't lose that one.
Now, where did it lead?
I'll take the one my sackable stags in.
White desert.
Ouch.
Kinda went early there, not gonna lie. Or not? Okay.
Later.
Are you kidding me? Let me go. Flying bear.
Don't hit the hatchlings.
I know.
Just so you know,
Oh,
I'm
we
absolutely
forgot-
horrible
we
at this last
forgot
boss.
that guy.
All you need to be able to do, just save your cooldowns for when the thing comes up, because your damage before really doesn't matter.
Oh, I usually die way before that.
Well, Tarso will call it out for you.
Fine, give me fucking work, why don't you?
You do it anyway, just because you're helpful.
This
Move
should be
out of-
enough for
out
like
of what-
0.5%.
I mean, if you don't want to, I can do
Out
it too.
of what-
I'm probably going to do it anyway. We'll do it. It's a team effort, Tarts.
No.
Or I can just do it myself and not be lazy.
Why don't you shut up? We're trying to figure this out for you.
Rifle.
Oh, why were the hatchlings cold?
Oh, good God.
It's like 2.
Yeah, but
not
the,
even
the
elites.
hatch. Hold on. Okay,
Stun, we
apparently
need a
those
stun, we need a
hatchlings
stun,
are
stun blind. Oh,
What are we? What are we
I
starting? What are we
don't
starting?
have anything.
Oh,
the
God.
territorial cries because now they pull
I-
all of this.
Oh shit!
That's why
Yeah.
they died.
I don't know what pulled them, but it wasn't me. That's all I know.
Are they a pat or what are they?
They're just a pack.
Just-
They just sit there.
They're just. You just
I mean, I don't think I asked pulled them. Did I ask pull? They may have been me.
Someone was, but it doesn't really matter.
It's fine. Just take your anger out of me.
Okay.
It's okay. We have a buff for this.
If only
guess.
we had all night elves.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Sorry, I played the wrong class.
True. This is the worst space that we can fight this shit.
I need heals, please.
I don't know where you are, sir.
Your LOS and then,
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Trying to do this for you, Steve. I'll go top left with Steve.
Rogers, take front right.
Front
wait,
right.
we're back left?
Or front left.
Okay, I was
I'm going back left.
Okay, which way am I going?
Hunter,
You're going
Hunter, go
front
back
right.
right. Hunter, go
Okay.
back right. Tell him. Wait, where's the bomb? Okay.
Hello.
Tell the Hunter, go back
Go,
right.
go, go.
Hi.
Hello, Tal.
What you do?
Tal, do you
And
what
DOS.
is Zoop?
Yeah, we can totally time this if
Okay.
Go to the right.
Right.
Out of melee.
Out of melee, Rogers.
Other side.
Yep.
Left. Left. Go. Right it. Ah!
I didn't make that.
oh
Nope.
no.
Good cloak.
It
I don't have it
doesn't
up.
matter anymore.
Oh.
I had to save it to go to the Sun Queen. I don't like this fight.
Left.
Oh, well, too late now. I was hoping that would save me.
Heroes.
Out of melee.
I'll be yours, I'll be yours. Just
Right.
save your cooldowns for the little guys.
Yep.
Shattered reality.
Please, don't mess this up.
Gotta say, this was a lot easier to kill on the 2 I ran the other day.
What are you in now?
Father.
Got mine.
Got mine.
You have 7 seconds.
Yep, we got all of them. Oh wait,
Nice.
no, all but one. Now we got all of them.
Nice. 1 second left.
Here we
Nice.
go. He's pulling us in.
Pulling us in, pulling us in. Going ham, going ham.
Go
Going hard in the paint,
Poggers.
going hard in the paint. I'm casting Lava Burst for days. Lava Burst for days. Here we go. Going,
Why not
pumping,
Reeks?
pumping all the damage. Look at we
We,
killed
we,
this man.
no,
He's
we
not
didn't
dead.
kill him yet. He's not dead yet. You need to get him to 10.5%.
Popping.
Out of melee. Go left. Turn, yeah, right.
Right.
And then I'll go
Left.
left. And you should be dead.
GG's.
Wow, he needed that for Shadowlands Conqueror.
It's my worst dungeon.
Ooh.
Oh,
Hello,
nice.
hello.
Inscrutable quantum device.
Hey, Grassman.
Hey, Grassman.
You're gonna be having plenty of time to learn from your mistakes.
He did pretty good. I think we need to get Talon to 10 too now.
Boogies is coming on. She and I would both like to do one.